Hey there, welcome to VTETV. I'm Tim Maverick. Today's basic training is going to be how to screen record with voice on your Apple iPhone. So if you have your Apple iPhone handy, go ahead and pop that thing out and let's go ahead and go through this. So if you want to learn how to voice record on your phone and how to screen record with voice on your phone, this tutorial is going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first off, let's identify a couple things that I want to talk about. First is your control center. And some of you don't know, this is what your control center is. So if you just pull down on the top right hand corner of your screen, this will give you your control center. So if you pull here, come right here, this is your control center. These buttons down here are the ones that are activated in your control center. And we're going to show you how to add to these and also take away from these. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I want to take your finger up and just pull it back up here. And then we're going to go to your settings. So click on your settings there. All right, so we're going to scroll down to Control Center. You see your Control Center right here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Open that up. Now, this is your Control Center. So this is what enables what shows up on your Control Center. Now, you have lots of controls that you don't currently have on your Control Center, and some that are kind of set as default on your Control Center. Now, again, just to recap, if you pull down, these are the features currently on my control center. So the flashlight option there, the timer, the calculator, phone, this remote, and this voice memo that's currently on here. So, and you can see that that's what's being shown here right now: the flashlight, timer, calculator, cam, the TV remote, and the voice memos. Now, if I want to add to that, now this is specifically what we're looking for on today's training, is we're looking for the voice record or the screen recording. So if you want to do any screen recordings from your iPhone, this is what your go. So go ahead and add this, to hit this plus sign to add that to your control center, so you can see that. Now I see how it popped up down here. It says screen recording. So now you can verify that by just checking real quick. Pull down here. Now you'll have a new icon here for the screen record. Now we can go ahead and press that right here since we're in it, and you'll see that this will give you a countdown. Now this is only for screen record. So if I just wanted to screen record with no voice, I'll just go ahead and do that. I just push start recording. Now if I wanted to add the microphone so I can do a voice recording along with the screen record, so it records my voice along with it, then I'm going to turn this microphone on so that it's actually able to do that. So now when I hit a start recording, it's going to give me a countdown. See that 3, 2, 1 up here. Now once I'm start recording, now it's going to start blinking red, notifying that I'm actually recording this right now. So just make yourself ready and knowledgeable about that to let you know that you're actually screen recording. Okay, so now you'll see that this indicating here on this phone, it says it'll be red here that you're recording. Everything that you're doing here is recording. So if you're wanting to record how to do something on your iPhone, or how to download an app, or if you want to do a Bible reading or something like that, then everything that you're doing now is being recorded, and with your voice along with that. So just wanted to show you that. And then when you're done recording, you're going to hit this button up here and you're going to say stop recording. Okay, now it'll give you an indication of where this recording goes to. All right, so we'll hit stop recording. Now it'll save to photos as a default. So if you open up your photos now, so we're just going to go here and just hit search, because there's a lot of apps on this. And if you have this problem as well, if you got a lot of apps on your phone, you can just click down here and type in photos, and then your photos will pop up here. And so now we'll go down to all of our videos and see that this is the recording that we just did here. This is all the recordings on this, and so you'll see that it'll play through everything that we recorded while we're doing this live training. So it'll scroll through there, it'll show exactly what we just recorded. So as you can see, everything that I did recorded as well. Now to verify this was actually voice, you're recording. Everything that you're doing here is recording. So if you're wanting to record how to do something on your iPhone, or how to download, so you can see that it's recorded everything. Now it's recorded voice and recorded the screen. So that is a quick tutorial on how to do that. Next, we're going to learn and show you guys, teach you how to upload this to YouTube or any other platform. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.